think I'm on. Yeah. Excellent. Why I don't see the chat? Why? Okay, look like I am. Yeah. Excellent. So that's live. But why don't I see? Up the chat, please. Okay, so that's done. Yeah, okay, but I want why the chat was not great. Why don't I see the chat? Come on. I see a white page instead of the chat. It won't be very good. Okay, let's reset. Cool, now show me the chat. Ah, yeah, it's loaded. Excellent. So now I see the chat. This one, I want to see also the YouTube chat. That's better. Excellent. Okay, if I come here and I say cloud, we have CB, excellent. So let's start 2D6 dungeon. Let's start the stream. CB, please track everything for us. I still have some artifact here. Why? I think it's just because it's more bright. Does the sound is good for my voice? Hello. Yeah, I think I'm in the yellow. Should be loud. Ah, let me know. Go down. What else? Let's check if the game is working. The game is working. I'm a little bit late today because I was reading and I had a great time. Okay, so let's do this. Whoa. There's weird stuff happening on my machine. Maybe I need to reboot my Linux machine. You know what? I will do that. Yeah. Yay! Please reboot. Please. Where is it? There. Please restart. Yeah, why not? Who landed? Grovosaurus landed. Congrats. The unoriginal jerk landed. Congrats. So our digital friends are all here this morning. Wonderful. We'll be working on the 2D6 dungeon today. I'm not sure on what exactly. I was debating if I should work on different project. But yeah. Oh, there's system update. Hopefully it's not too long. Can I share my screen? Can we see this? I don't think. Oh, maybe we can. If I do this, yeah. So right now it's updating. It's updating. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, do I have? Oh, it's going fast. It's going fast.
We shouldn't be afraid, right?
I don't know the. I don't hear the effect. Oh yeah, but that's. Okay, it's going. It's going. It's booting. It's booting. Oh, I don't see it. Oh, because it's booting. Interesting. Okay, so now you see it. Okay, logging time. You don't need to see that. Come on. What? Okay, that works. Excellent. Software update installed. Yay! Yay! Let's bring this. How can I make this one primary when it's there? So you see the menu and the stuff. Why don't I see left click? Oh, because I was there. Display settings. Let's go see that. Let's bring this here. So I want this screen. I want Dell to be the primary. Yeah, primary display. It will be Dell. Apply. Keep changes. So when I do this, now you see it. Okay, cool. So because sometimes it's just annoying. Like I put the chat down so like I could answer you. Yeah, okay, cool. So let's open this. Let's open that. Let's open this. Also, why? That's weird. Why can I not see the other window? I feel like that's a setting thing, right? A keyboard maybe? Or navigation? Move workspace, no monitor. No, I like switch application. Oh, it's super tab. Oh, so it's this. Oh, it's super, not alt. I think I prefer alt though. But oh, so what? Now it's working? It was not working earlier. Interesting. Right, when I was here, because it was maximized, let's maximize it. Alt tab, now it's working. Earlier it wasn't working. Told you, I'm telling you, like I'm telling you, it wasn't working. Okay, let's come here, let's go Twitch. Restore the pages, excellent. bring that here so I could see the chat. Ooh, it's tiny little. That's better. Now I can say drop and let's add something funny after. An emote. Will I land? That's the question. Oh, maybe no. Nope. Middle of the screen. The target was not at the good place. Okay. Oh, like new update of VS Code. Interesting. Who landed? Grover Service again, beating his old score and the real Sir Leap and the Cryptographer. Everybody's landing except me. That's not fair. Ooh, this is tiny. Where this is tiny. Game Lord, hello, sir. How are you? Happy to have you. I hope you have a nice week. What have been you doing? Is it a phrase? I feel like as I was saying it, I was like, that's not English. The current room is different. Oh, like, yeah, we did that. So we should come back to main poll. Oh no, we should go VNex. Pushing to VNex. Oh yeah, now I had Discord. I'm trying to get back to Discord. I feel like it's a great place to collaborate, exchange every day. Because sometimes I work and I don't start a stream. I don't know. I feel it's a missed opportunity if like I don't leverage that to see you all. Oh, this is tiny. I don't know what I did. This is like really tiny. Oh, is it because, let's go back to, why don't I minimize that window? That was weird. If I go again in display setting, maybe I did change something. Let's have a look. Here, display setting, so this one now, right now it's 100%. What if I put it 200%? Oof, that's big. Oh, so each now are that's a really big. So if I go building display, it's 200. Okay, and if I go the Dell, can I put different on each one? Whoops, I did revert. I think, okay, it's not, that's good. I think that's good. But yeah, I totally did something. Whatever it is. A lot of non-dev administration work probably will be like for that. I was busy. The company merger. Oh. It's usually also a bit stressful. There's always worries. People are afraid. I don't know whose nose is this. It's totally mine. I was talking to my dog. But then those glasses are my computer glasses, so it can only be me. Okay. Yeah, I was doing this. Like, this keyboard is a little bit too close. Come move away. Now we need to go here. Oh, yeah, we did that already. Now, oh yeah, I was trying to open a new tab and it's so tiny that I was having trouble. So now we need to go on GitHub. Yeah, let's I wanna share a little bit. This morning I was thinking, oh, maybe we can work on the URL shortener. But I feel there's boring work that needs to be done here. Just want to share a little bit with you. And so URL shortener, I have like a PR that is accepted, but I think I want to put it in the VNex. Yeah, I don't have VNex, so I will. But I think if I change, and I cannot work on that when I'm here. Trust me, I have a PR here. Do I have my other user? If I do that. If I go there, there's a PR. I think I would put it on VNex so I could like work on the doc and then like push it, because there's a few people who use that project. So yeah, and I think right now I migrate everything to containers. I think I want to keep the portion of the URL shortener who's redirecting as a function. So like I will have to revert a little bit of code and like do that. I'm not sure. Maybe it's interesting. I don't know. The other project I want to share with you, I was really close to let's do like part of the stream today about that. Is where is it? Let's go repositories. Oh yeah, yesterday I streamed. I can talk about that. Where is it? Where is it? This one. I work on the during the weekend. Yeah, during the weekend, I play on this. It's a visual countdown day, and now it's a count like between different dates and up and down and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's in MicroPython. I did that for my daughter. So like it's kind of like turning up a segment of LED each day between two dates. And initially I was like, because I took the code from an advent calendar, so it was like 24 day all the time. So like, it would be cool to have like shorter or long, like set the beginning and the end date. So I did that. It complexifies stuff. And then she said, instead of like turning on light, could we turn off light? You know, if it's something sad, so there's less and less. I was like, yeah, we can do that. So like added that. And then the light were always coming from this part where like the Raspberry Pi is. And that was dangling later. So I was like, can it go like reverse where the light start turning on? So I did that. What else? Oh yeah, and after that I was like, well, now it's hard, I feel, to see like when there's no lights. It's hard to see segments, right? Because here like you have some kind of like purple or pink and then some kind of yellow and like, you know, so like you could count, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. But when it's just like pure nothing, like turn off, you couldn't. So I said, I will be turning on just one LED to like identify the segment, and I put that optional. So like a lot of things, but now I need to update that, like the documentation. Documentation. I did the website, so now there's all that. So like that screenshot, now I need to change it. But I had a good time. I'm a .NET developer. On this stream, we did a little bit of JavaScript. So, you know, I know some bases of JavaScript. I can read Python. I can read MicroPython because it's on a Raspberry Pi. Do I have it here? Oh, you see it on screen, but like it's really tiny, right? It's this thing. Oh, I can, Frank, here. Oh, and now this way. Oh, maybe that's why. Oh no, it's here. I was about to push it the other way. There it is. Now I'm in the cloud. So this thing, right? So it's in MicroPython. I don't know MicroPython, but I use Copilot to brainstorm and like explain me how to like do dates and like how the dates works and like a lot of that, and then like work with it because I was trying to do code. Like I didn't want him to do the work. I wanted to learn, but like it was not working. So a lot of explain, a lot of like improve that. Like can we change that? Oh, am I still live? Maybe I'm not. Am I? Okay. I don't see the image moving here. Oh, okay, just because I did pause. Cool, thanks. I was worried. I was not moving on my little Twitch screen. This screen, that little one here, I was not moving. So I thought I was unmoving when I fixed the chat maybe, but then like you're there talking to me, so yeah, whatever. So yeah, so that was one project. So maybe we'll work on that though. Like doing docs is maybe not the best, but it could be a chill one, you know, just relax, listening music. We could do that. And I did work on this project a little bit also this week. So the Aspire AZ storage, that's just it's a kind of a simple demo application that I built while working on the URL shortener, and I have like a blog that will be talking about that. And I did a template for AZD, so now you could initialize it, say AZD init, and then like this, and it will create you the template for you to have like Azure storage and like a minimal API and stuff like that. And I thought it was fun. So right now this is in review. I think I did create an issue here. Can I see this one? I know we'll have to sign in. So like right now it's a PR is done on the some AZD, and I also had like a tag to be able to filter when you go, sorry, on that. What it's called again? AZD. Awesome. I need to. This week I had a meetup, and a lot of developers didn't know about AZD. Do you know about AZD, GameLord, or other cloudies, if any? So here are all the templates, and there's filters and languages and tools, and Aspire was not part of that. Or framework? I think I put it in tools. So I put it here as a tool. So now you will be able to click Aspire and see all the templates that are Aspire. I thought that would be cool. It wasn't there. So that's what I did yesterday. Like let's do some plugs. Shameless plug here. Yesterday I streamed on the .NET channel. I did the French, but there wasn't a lot of people watching. It's in French, so smaller community, and I was alone also. Could be that was cool though. We talk about like how to use Copilot, and like it was nice. There's an English version of what I did with James and Katie. Is it Katie? I think it was Katie. Where is it? Let me share that. That was cool. Yeah, Katie. Let me put that in the chat. It's really nice. Let's add it to the note. No note. There it is. pretty cool demo. They show a bunch of tips and tricks on how to use GitHub Copilot in VS Code. Like it's a workshop. You could follow and do this stuff. It's leveraging code space, so like you don't have to install anything. It's totally free. And at the end, I think about here, I think if I'm looking at the they create rock paper scissors lava game. It's fun. I don't know lava was a thing in rock paper scissors. So yeah. Okay, but today we'll be working on 2D6 dungeon app. I have okay. One thing I did had this done now for this repo. It's demanding me a lot of time, and I want to make it better and stuff. So I put it now. It's sponsored. You could sponsor that repository. I think like by default, like I you know, I'm not convinced. So I say, yeah, like you could go one time, you put the amount of money you want, or you could go monthly and like $1 or $2. And like, for me, it's just a way to see if really people would want me to make progress. So I could, you know, make it, because it's time consuming. I think it's a cool game, but I'm not a game dev. So it just required me time, and now I think I would need a little bit more investment for like learning the architecture and the structure of a game, because it's different than business apps and services and API and what I'm used to create. So during the weekend, I think, I'm not sure if I did that. I don't know when I did that, but like I had it that. So now we have like a CI/CD when we push. It'll go say pass. I was trying to do stuff. I found a new bug, so we can look at it today. Let's open the project also. I want to see what I was supposed to be doing. So do next, I had nothing. Okay. In the to-do was make the parameter. Yeah, there was a lot of refact, but before I go to the refact, I would like to push it so like people can play a little bit with it maybe, and like be able to put an online version. So I think no status. Oh yeah, but that should be in the VNex. Oh, those are branches, like our PR. I don't know. I'll put it there. And yeah, bug. Yeah, so right now that's a bug. Like we should have a look into that, I think. When you create a new game, I thought I put like a screenshot. I did it, but you have an error. So like you try to a new game, it just kind of crash. So maybe with like now like the initialization and stuff like that, there's some like it's definitely something, because say object reference not set, so it's something that we forgot to initialize now. So I'm guessing that's the problem, right? I'm not guessing, it's on my face. That's what the error message says. So we can work on that. And the other thing is, you know what, let's load the game, and I will show you what I think we'll add in the release. We'll push the release, and then we'll be able to work on we'll add in the release so it can deploy, so people can try it. So like kind of like a very low version of it available online that deletes itself or something like that. I don't know, like I don't want to spend too much money on it, because I don't make money with it. Yeah, okay, so let's F5 this thing. No, I want oppose default. Cool. Who landed? Copperbeard and Jeff Hats and Surdy Dev. Is it the real one? I feel like that's a bot. I don't think Sir is here right now. I didn't get his notification.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Yeah, there's something there. Okay, Frank in the corner. Zoop. But you got a good score, and we can say that. That's for sure. Of course, you went here. If I maximize that, it's still working. Okay, so now everything is up. Since it was the first time, the database is empty, so we'll have to I'm not sure if I did change that online or offline. It's better because before the button was like down under and you had to scroll, so it was like an empty page, but it's not pretty. I want the tab to have like a kind of like a minimal height. We'll change that, but like it's functional, so you know, like adventure, like why is not like this? What? Oh yeah, because you click. Interesting. Oh, and there's no ID. So how can we make a condition here? I'm guessing we could pass. Oh, that's interesting. Maybe I will use Copilot for that. Like how? Oh, that is it big enough? How can this work if arg is null? Oh no, arg wasn't null, but there was no items. So I think, oh yeah, so like here we'll have to put something like the integration point, integrate like something like this. And then maybe, yeah, 0. And at the end, like in that function, I will have to put like a nullable, and if it's 0, something like that. Okay, but for now, let's do this. We'll create a new adventure. Let's create a new guy. Oh yeah, I need to put a breakpoint in the save adventure in the start button. We can do that later because that's when the bug will show up. So longsword, we'll pick those. There's a few glitches also in the UI that I don't really like, and like little things like we create an adventure. Can you use it like kind of like picked it, you know? Maybe we have a way to change just when we are there, not, I don't know. So now we can roll. What? Wow, okay. The breakpoint crash. Interesting. No, so it was an adventurer picker. Was it adventurer picker or where is that? Save. Create a new adventure. I think it was when we did this, so it will be the adventurer adventure in it. And then it's the... I'm guessing it here, start game, yeah. We'll have to look. It's somewhere here that it crashed. And maybe it's in the play. So play, let's put a breakpoint in the init, because it doesn't even start. It just kind of like crash. Okay, so but now it failed. So let's start it again. I don't know what I did wrong. Meanwhile, I would like to land on the target today. Let's continue. Okay, so Tad is here. Okay, so we have her room, her lobby. I didn't land at all. Huh? Where did I... Well, I landed, but none on the target. Yay! And of course, more digital friends are landing. So we have her lobby here, under the chat. Small room. And now if I click start, let's investigate what's happening. So we create a new adventure. We assign the adventurer, right? That's good. Then we put some coordinates. That should be nice. And then we say that you are here, but it's already true, so whatever. Then we add the we add the adventure, the room to the dungeon. We're at floor level, so cool. Okay. So I feel like that should work. Yeah. So now we go there. Cool. So now we are in the play. So that, like usually where we played, like the main loop of usual game. So I created a game turn. Service should be there. Cool. So now adventure. We have it. So we can get the adventure. Did we get the adventure? Yeah. Yeah. Adventure is there. So now we could go do this. Current room. We should have a room. Did we? Yeah, we have. And it's the lobby. So should go here. So it's in the fill Canva. That's... So let's examine the room though. So we have exits. Target room is -1. Could it be that? Target room is null. Why was not working the other day? Wait, what? Why I'm doing it again? Then it crashed. So it's doing it twice? Why is it doing it twice? Maybe I should just like, hey, if you don't have adventure ID, just like skip. Maybe. Why I was doing it twice? I have no idea. But the game is save. Can I just go back in it? Or did I stop it? Yeah, I stopped it. Oh, did it crash? Does my stuff keep crashing? Okay, so here we could do, since it's not working, so we could say, hey, if this is not null, let's put, right? I think you want something like that. So it cannot be null, but it was null. How can that be? That's weird. Okay, there was that. And then there was in the adventure in it. Here on the grid. No, was it? No, it was the adventure picker. Yeah, on the adventure picker, there, the unclick. I need to do something like, you know what? Let's ask Copilot just for fun. Control I. Let's use this model just for fun and say interesting. So oh, yeah, okay. So if this is null, is different than null, then call it, otherwise just null. Well, so what's the problem? Cannot convert lambda expression to extend the delegate type because some of the return types in the block are not implicitly convertible to the delegate. Only assign call increment decrement blah 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 an expression. Let's try to see if Copilot can fix this stuff. Oh, okay, cool. That's nice. So the delegate is this, so we create kind of like purely a function. Interesting. Okay, well, great. That was also the grid that I didn't like, right? Because it was too see here I put the height at 400 px, but I don't think it was respected. Let's put 600. Adventure name was also a little bit tight, so let's make it a little bit wider. I have no clue how wide it was though. Let's put 200 for now. Did we catch any other glitch? I don't remember. let's run it. And damn it, I need to land. No. That was more. That's. Finally. Come on. Yay. Frankie. That's not how I usually write it, but that's fine. I mean, why did the bug didn't start? F5. I'll put it here. That's very annoying. It always starts at the bottom of the screen. Oh, because I just used that one to chat. Come on. Come on. So load adventure. I feel also like adventure Tad Beaumont, so if Tad has 2 adventure, we won't see it. Okay, adventure ID, it's 1, go, boom. Adventure ID, it's 1, boom. It worked this time. I'm not sure why it does it twice though. Am I not understanding something? Okay, so the one thing I wanna, hey, yeah, like that. Oh, like one thing I did also is I moved the button here instead of like being at the bottom of the map. I feel like here it's better. So like that other stuff, I think I want to work on that before we push it. So I think what we want, it will be like all the tabs. Remember the game? My God, I have like, whew. Am I getting old? I thought I was just woman who got like a burst of heat. I don't want to be macho when I say that. I like searching my words in English. Menopause? I thought it was just like I thought andropause for men, but I don't thought that include heat wave or like, you know, when you're maybe got just like a low pressure suddenly. Anyway, what I was saying is, Frank, just focus on the game instead. So there's plenty of tables, right? And when we play the game, sometimes, hey, like roll, blah, 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 blah. So I think what I want here will be one drop down, you pick the table, then the table will be displayed. And I will put yeah. Like I will have a drop down, you pick the drop down, then the tab will show up under, and maybe beside you have a button like roll 1 dice, roll 2 dice, and the dice will appear here, so like you could do whatever you have to do. And as we add more table, that will be like dynamic. That could be cool. So like instead of other stuff, it will be tables. So like that's a reference you will have, you can have. Combat, adventure. Also, I think maybe what we want is another tab. So other stuff could become that other tab I'm talking. Will be where like it's just like notes. Like you'll be able to like take notes. I think so. Like yeah, I think that's something we can add. But for now, let's just like pick a door. Let's go north. Roll to, oh yeah, and we like, yeah, okay, I want to remove this. And also I want to disable that button until you do the action. So now 6x3 next. See, I could skip it. I don't want that. So I want it disabled by default. So roll dice to determine the exit. So 6. 2 exits. and roll the dice to see what's in the room. So we roll. Now in the summary, we see that the dusty blah blah blah, like okay, like here there's nothing. So we could say done, and now we have a room, so we can position it. Right, oops. You could put it that way. I'm not sure, like in the book it says to put it that way. I think that's better, and we could like have walls and stuff like that, you know, as you clear the dungeon kind of thing. So it leave like this is like a heavy wall, and here you have no idea. I feel like maybe the door should connect, those two things should connect, maybe not. So once you're all set, you click here to kind of like position the, so now see the color change. So that's where you are right now, and you can see now the room is here. And if I say, okay, let's say I want to pick a door and I want to go back to the lobby, I could pick a door. And if so, now I only have 3 options, right? Can only go north, east, and south, because those are the options. I have no door to the west. So if I pick south, I won't have any create a room dialogue, and I'm now in the lobby. Nice, right? So you can navigate now between rooms. So pick a door, we'll go north, right? Boom, we are in that room. Description change, and we're there. Oh, wait a second, did it change when I was down? Go south. Yeah, this is the entrance of the lobby. Cool. So pick a door, north, open. Pick a door, north, open, dialogue, roll. Cool. Next, Bing. Next, roll the dice. Next. So simple 3 chair are dock around a wooden table. Cool. So now we can position that. Boom. So now we're there. If I pick a door, I should only have 2 locations. Pick a door. So let's go east. Open. And now it failed. No idea why. Parameter index. Oh, interesting.
Bonjour.
Hey, Blazer, Mr. Magoo, how are you? Look at that. It remembers. So if we go pick a door, east. Okay, now it's working. I don't know why it was not working. Hello, ciao. Now we're gonna go here, roll a dice, 1 exit. So that's a problem right now, because if I do this, it's kind of like meep, 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 meep. So I guess we could put it, let's say, this way, and we should be able to change. So maybe we have like a super edit mode. I don't know, because in the game, like, you set the door manually. Here I decided to let the game randomly put them, but here I feel like that's an issue. Like we cannot put it this way, because, you know, so we'll have to have something to like edit. Yeah. So let's go. See, I don't. Okay, if I do super, I still don't see it. Oh, now I see it. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Okay. So I was in this one then? Yes, okay, cool. I want to close this, close this, close this. Maybe we fix that. We have random random bugs. And I will put it as one fix. Something to myself. Cool. Let's close that. What I want, so, oh yeah, so I want to create some issues. Not issues, but yeah, like one issue will be like the problem. So I should take a screenshot, right? Oh man. Let's take a screenshot of that. Control Shift E. Selection. Oh. What was the selection? I didn't look. I thought it will be asking me after picture. Screenshot. Yeah, I guess that was it. Let's take another one. So, oh yeah, the selection was down there. I didn't see it. Let's do this and that. Oh no, come on. Move here. Do a screenshot of that. Cool. Yeah, I mean, today I don't like, except for the digital friends, it's not a great great day for a landing. I landed like last time, 28 after 5 or 6 try. But yeah, let's look at the scores. But yeah, today it's just like 30 dev digital friends are landing, but other than that, see, it's all like I'm here 28, but all digital friends. And even 30 dev, it's not him, it's his digital version. Jeff Hat will land again. Wow. Bing, 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 bong, bong. Yeah, so we need to edit this. What do I have? Image viewer. What's ocular? I have no idea. I didn't want to open new for that. Let's do it. Just want to add like some. Let's do this and let's change the color. Let's pick red. Let's make it. Can I make it smaller? Nope, not this. This. Nope. This. Nope. This. Yes. Meow. Okay. So now we export that. Cool. So now we'll be able to use it. Excellent. Let's open the browser. Open the browser. Open another browser. This one. I want to create a new issue. Doors or I'm guessing doors. Okay, we could have like multiple conflict, I guess. So if I do this, copy, paste, accent. How it's going, Mr. Magoo? How was your week? Here as an example, comma. Otherwise, rooms would be, right? Would be on top of each other. Again, I feel like you're trying with the new user every week. Otherwise, comma. Is it rules book or book rule book? I think it's rule book, but though it contains rules. Right? The solution will be to like cancel that and re-roll, but you know, you already have. Yeah, I think that's a good one. So that will be an enhancement. Let's create this. No milestone for now. So now what we want though is let's create stuff that will go in the version. Well, that will be an enhancement. That's for the 2d6 dungeon project. Milestone, we definitely want that in the... Why do I have to... I think it's this. I'm not sure. I thought it was... Anyway. So that's good. I want to create a new one, and I want to create yeah. Yeah, that'll be good. So like one other tab where you could do all of that. So enhance, let's create that. Milestone, it's definitely going in it. Project, dungeon app. Yeah. That I think we'll be working on it right away. And the other one too. So I could leave it, but you know what? Not that one. Yeah, this one. This one we could tag it as help wanted. Oh, we don't have like a good first issue. Oh, good first issue. Boom. Yeah. So let's work on that one. I want to work on that one. Oops. But before that, I think I will have to do a quick break. So let's do drop. I'll be back in not long. I muted myself. I was asking you, did you behave? Did someone land? And of course, it was just digital friends. Of course, it was just them. Yeah, so let's add this new page. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that. So we can close this. We can close GIMP. Discard changes. Can go in VS Code and stop this. Cool. Yay! Who landed? Another digital friends. Come on, I want Mr. Magoo, I want Game Lord, I want people to land. What is that? It's unfair. The world is an unfair place, isn't it? Okay. So in play, we have this. So I think we'll create a new view, a new component. Deferred loading. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, so here we'll have to create a new thing, and it will be tables, view tables, table viewers. Cool, let's do that. New. Nope. I was here and I want to do. Oh, I don't want to be there. I want to be here. Oh, I'm not wearing. I was like, why can I see? Because I don't have the good glasses. Like, otherwise, it's progressive glasses. I need to be like this. Component. In the shared page, I want a new component. A new Razor component, and we'll call table viewer. So I feel it's more table selector or table tab table. I think it's good. Great. So I think exactly. Is it the real you, Sturdy Dev? I don't think so. I think it's still a bot. Okay, I need to. Let's go with this one. I like that guy. Has really cool emote. Oh, and the time is super flying. Okay, so I want to go and create quickly this. So we want stack. So fluent stack. Cool. Right. Oh, let's totally do that. Let's use Copilot. Let's see what it does with that. I mean, it's a good start. So this will be orientation will be vertical with padding equal, let's say 5. I think, yeah, not sure I need 2. Let's remove that one for now. Maybe I should use, instead of table, maybe I should set like rule table. Tables is, I think it's good. What it's complaining about? Okay. Let's put that in, you know, let's remove it for now. Oh, wow. Okay. So I had everything. I don't want everything. So why it's not working? Cannot interfere base. Bind value. Feel like it's okay. Let's go and adventure create. Oh, it's combo box I want, or select. No, select is good. Item. Yeah, it's item, so it's not. Oops. Oh, the combo. Oh, let's have a look of the you know what? Let's put something just so we have something, and then we'll figure it out later. Let's do that for now. Let's go this, and it was item, and then we'll put this like that. There it is. So we don't need a for each though, right? What? Yeah. Good. Don't need the for each. Uninitialize load table. Cool. Oh, cool. So now what I want here is a button. So that's what I was looking for. No. I want to go with this. What? Oh, kind of, what? No, I want this. Okay. Let's try that. So using Codebase, so that will give it, so I'm using Copilot Edit. Copilot Edit. So like that will kind of like, it's able to manage a bunch of different things. I want to save that here. I say using Codebase, so we'll look at all the code in that solution. Reuse existing components. So my intention is having him using the, we have something for the dice and stuff like that. So like he should be able to find a place where we did that. And then we need two buttons, one to roll one dice, the other to roll two dice. And once we have the dice result, and on purpose I use the name of the class and component, display them. And I will use Claude here, so let's give it a try. See how it goes. Oh, sorry, I missed your message, Mr. Magoo. So Mr. Magoo says, I've been banging my head against a block wall trying to figure out Windows app jump list. But stupid AI search everywhere, ignore what you ask and answer what they guess you want to ask. Are you using the Copilot Edit? Also, one thing you could try to do is use instead the GPT-4o Copilot that is available when you go in here in the configure completion, and you can change the model, change completion model to use this one here, to use this, the GitHub Copilot. It's trained on languages, so less guess when it's about code. Though it is for completion, so I'm not sure when you're chatting with him. And also, like, using the Copilot Edit, it can manage more files and things, usually. Okay, let's see what it did. So, okay. Roll 1 dice, roll 2 dice. I could have like roll dice and just pass like a parameter. And then dice result any. I mean, yes and no. We'll keep it, but I will change it. Yeah, try a lot of different things. All in all, I'll just make things up. Oh no, like they don't. Like, it's Gen AI. Like, expect surprises. But usually you can give it more context and things like that. I thought I had like, yeah, I think I want to do like roll dice. Roll 1 or 2 dice, roll dice. And then we'll receive int number of dice, right? And then dice result. No, okay, it just, oh, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed after the weekend I had, and you were super smart and everything. Oh, this is all crap. Dice result was a class. It's a class. No, I need to. It's not a class. I thought it was. Or maybe I need to use Wait a second. So I should. Oh no, like, oh yeah, I didn't pass it. Do I want this? I don't want this page to be connected to anything. I just want this page to be kind of like know stuff by herself. Though I will have to ingest the service in it. So we'll do that here. So 1 dice, 2 dice, I mean, we did that so many times in the dialogue, right? When you for the new room dialogue, it's like, hey, just like display the dice. Thing like that, right? So dice result, that's what we want here. And what will be the type of type result is a dice results. What? No, it's the other way around. What? No, no, no. X. There it is. Okay. Right. So here. What? Did that really have a clear in it? Nah. Okay. You don't know dice result? You should. It's complaining out a bunch of stuff. So unclick and then the function. And it was with the at, right? Yeah. I feel like there's a few little things like that are not perfect. Now maybe I need oh, why can I need to learn how to Yeah, whatever. Component appearance. What are you talking about? I feel your unclosed tab div. Oh, I did. Let's... Oh no, it's here. I'm closing it here. That's closing that. Feel you're a bit feel like you're confused, my friend. Let's reload the window. Oh, we'll have to stop eventually. Unfortunately, it's hurting today. Any big plan for the rest of the day or the weekend? I know I'm submitting talks for build later today. That's my plan of the day. I have all my abstract kind of draft. I need to polish them and submit them. Unexpected name fluent. What? Oh, I definitely need this. Boom! No more mistake. Errors, issues. Oh no, a bunch of issues. Okay. Roll dice. Unexpected literal? So like you want this like that? I'm fine with it if you prefer it that way. Dice result doesn't exist. Oh, now you don't know this one. Oh, well. That's the class name we have, right? Was dice. No S's. Damn it. Okay. What? The name Old Dice doesn't exist. Where do you see that? I see roll. I think I will have to do something like this, where I do this and that. Whoa, 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 whoa. And the final. Is that you like? I think that's what he wants. Right, now I can pass 2. Oops, I'm missing the... doing wrong? Oh, I was like this. Oh man. What was it again? In component, shared, and the adventurer create. Yeah, no, it's item and then like that variable. Oh, but like no. Yeah, so it was item and then but no this, no quote. Okay. All right, and it was capital I. Yeah, items. It was a fluent select. Is it what I use here? Yeah. Unclosed tag, fluent select orientation. What? Oh yeah, it is there. You know what? Let's do this instead. And it was label, right? Yeah, label. Oh man, why are you complaining of so... The name O doesn't exist. Where the hell do you see orientation? Yeah, it is there, orientation. And I thought it would be like, yeah, let's just that quickly. I feel like each time I say, yeah, let's do that, it will be easy. Like it's not. But it should have been super simple. What do you see that I don't see? Why is there errors? Undefined process. Congrats. Okay. I did create a bunch of like roles, so I'm doing it. Say roll 1 dice, roll 2 dice, and I put that. Yeah. So here it will be this equal. Then I have 1 or 2. Why don't you see this function? Man. It's really annoying. And I'm not patient. My back is hurting me. Whoa, why? I just want to sit. Oh, I'm not in the... No, I am the source. You see real problem, compiler? I feel like I can trust you more today than this guy. The button click is not the way you expect to be and stuff. Yeah. It'll compile fine. Oh no, it's not done. Yeah. But there's still like, apparently, plenty of problem. Okay. Button, I want to pass. Oh. That's a weird character. I feel like the problems start with here with that select. But like I don't see anything that is not, let's say here, say fluent select and then items, pass this, label. Like there's nothing that I don't do here. Found makeup element unexpected. Orientation veillale. Like why this one is working and the other one is not. I don't know. Should be trivial. Okay, if I remove you, did I solve my problem? So, okay, so you don't like this. But how can I then... Okay, let's go to the browser here. Let's go Fluent. And then button, like there's something stupid that I'm not doing. I want to see a button. Just a button. Right, Fluent button. Those are empty button though. I want with icon. Oh, that's it. Unclick. Oh, I need to do that thing. It's I was missing this. So it's interpret. Right, so unclick, open quote, blah, blah, blah. Oh, but then unclick is like this. Okay, yeah. Are you happy now? Yes, you are. Yay. We'll eventually we'll get there. So unclose flu. You don't see that it's full fluent tag that is written. Dice. The name Dice Resolve doesn't exist. Yeah, it exists. It's here. Oh, I could do something like can I do that, or do I need to specify the class? I mean, I don't care. So now you complain about this? Oh, it's all bugged up. What's happening with my environment? I just rebooted. Like, it's all weird. Oh, you know what? I think that's the sign to stop today. And I didn't create a new yeah, let's pause before I turn mad. So we're working on that, so it's in progress. Create a branch from main, from vnex, I mean. Now we'll be able to come here, get that. Excellent. Cool. It's kind of in progress. Let's push. Oh, that was kind of a weird, and that also need an update. It was kind of a weird stream today. I guess we need some time. Stream that don't go as you planned, but I'm glad I did it. I think once we have those two issues, the new tab and the notes.
Bonjour. Hi.
GT, how are you? How are you going? What's up? We're about to wrap up though. You're just joined as I'm about to wrap up. I think once we have those two new tabs, I think we could merge vnex. Oh no, like then like we'll have to have a way to deploy. Do we want that for like that next version? Maybe we don't need to. Just in time for your finish. Yeah, my grandiose. It was like nothing was working. I don't know what's happening with my dev environment today, but it was not working well. Oh, one thing I did also I didn't mention earlier that made me think. Thank you. See, so thank you, GT. See, things because of you. One thing I did is I refreshed my dev container, so now we can work from a dev container. So like if you want to try it, you can just like work from there. You don't need to have like everything installed, except yeah, if you want to run locally the dev container, you need Docker. That's the only thing you need. Or you could run in the code space thingy, or whatever you want. So yeah, so we're working at adding like a table where we have all the thing, but right now it's not working. So I guess I will close this stream, calm down, submit all my talks for Microsoft Build, and at the end of the day, maybe like lurking on the Clarkio stream or other stream, I will be trying to fix that thing, right? And yeah, and I have friends coming for the weekend here, so like I need maybe to make sure I have a clean bed for them. So maybe I will do some laundry. So that's my plan of the rest of the day. I hope you have a better plan in mind, And other than that, I will, you know what? I will see you next week. Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye. Did it stop? Am I still alive? Look like I am. I can't not even finish the streaming anymore. Tools. How do I stop streaming? There it is. Put this thing here.